What's up guys, it's Sunday and we've decided that the kids can have a slime bath today. So it's going to be Oscar, Alfie, Porsha and Vanellope. So I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to fill the bath up and I'm going to get this slime made. But oh, it's Sunday, I'm lazy. So it's a lazy Sunday innit, so what I'm going to do is we'll click and go there. 3, 2, 1. That's better. I really like this. Maybe I should start selling it on eBay or Amazon. Clicky fingers. So yeah, we're going to get the bath running. And this one's different. The last one was jelly bath. This one is slime. So it's supposed to be red. And smell like strawberries. So I know they're looking forward to it, so let's get this in the bath, run, and see what it's like. Okay, now you've got to leave it, I think it's for 5 minutes, and then when it gets the right consistency, you've got to put some more water in it. So we better leave it for 5 minutes. It's ready. It's really, ugh. It is slime, it's literally slime. So we're going to get the girls in and the boys in now. They're going to have a slime bath. You getting in the slime bath?
Oh yeah. I'm not messing my hair up, all my makeup.
You're getting your money's worth out?
No, it took me long enough to redo it.
You having the slime bath?
Especially my eyebrows, because this morning I had no eyebrows and my eyelashes were off.
Are you ready for the slime bath?
Yeah. But it's good because I get 2 days out of my hair and it's not even dropped out today, but probably because it was clipped up at the back. And then, what are you doing?
The extreme close up.
Alright. Why? Did you want to see?
No.
Did you want to get closer?
Focus.
I hope it's slimy. Are you getting in the slime bath? Slimy bath.
You ready?
Yeah.
Get in. Is it slimy?
Yeah.
You getting in, baby? Come on.
It feels good. Come on then.
What's it feel like? Is it like a bath of slime?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in.
You get in it?
Just feel I know what it feels like.
On your feet? Mum's getting in.
Fully.
I told you she wouldn't be able to resist the slime.
Fully.
Well, I'll probably go flying.
Fully.
Ew.
Don't get out.
I can't get in because I'll slip.
Mum, you just said you didn't want to think that.
What? What have you got?
What have you got?
Don't you throw it at Mama. not ended up getting in just to get it on my feet. I've ended up wearing it. And Vanellope keeps throwing it all over me. Look at this. It feels so weird. So it looks like you're saving my hair. It's a waste of time. Now we're going to get in the shower. We get all the slime on here. I might just let it dry and recurl it.
Why do you want to take your hair?
Why? Because I paid enough money for it, so I was trying to get 2 days out. Vanellope just threw it out. Not even. It's just gone right in the pants. So everybody was just put the slime back. Mum thought she's getting it because the kids kept asking me to. So we hope you like the video anyway. Make sure you leave a comment and make sure you subscribe. Should I lie right down here?
Yeah.
You there now?
Yes, ask the viewers if we actually want you to.
Should I? Or should I? What am I going to do? What do you think, guys? Should I or shouldn't I?
Yeah, lie down.
Nah.
Pause the video and then comment.
Get the shower.
I'm not put. Oh God, put all my hair in it now. It's going to be a nightmare to get this out, yeah. Yeah, it feels like I've got jelly in it. I can't even get on now, it's too heavy. Oh, look at that. Hey, if you want your air conditioning, look at that. That'll get all back combing out.